Good morning, students. Today we will start with exercise 4.3. So the first question is, draw the graph of each of the following linear equations in two variables. So let's see the first question. It is given x plus y equals to 4 and we have to draw the graph of this linear equation. Now to draw the graph, we need at least two solutions of the given equation. So first to take first solution, let us take x equals to 0. So when x equals to 0 and you put it in the this equation, you will get y equals to 4. Now second case is, I told you earlier also that take one solution as x equals to 0 and the other one as y equals to 0. So when y equals to 0, then x will be equal to 4. So what are the two solutions we are getting in this case? We need at least two solutions. So I am finding two solutions for this equation. So the solution for this is 0, 4 here, 0, 4, and the second one is 4, 0. 4 and 0. I told you that we always write down the x coordinate first. Now to draw the graph, students, be very careful. It should be equally spaced. First thing, draw the two coordinate axes. The point of intersection is known as origin and we denote it with O. On the right hand side we denote it as x. On the left hand side we denote it as x dash. Above the axis we denote as y and below it is y dash. So what is the first coordinate? That is 0, 4. So we will take it, 0 is the x coordinate and 4 is the y. So this is 0, 4. So this is the way of plotting the graph. Now second is 4, 0. So 4 is the x coordinate and y coordinate is 0. So this is 4, 0. Now what we will do? We will join this line. Now when you join this line, what you are getting, after joining this line, you always write down the equation on the line. So what is the equation? It is x plus y equals to 4. Now by seeing this graph, you can understand why we call it as the graph. This is as linear equation because its geometrical representation is a straight line. So a degree 1 polynomial equation is called linear equation because its geometrical representation is a straight line. In the same way, you will do question number 2nd and 4th of this question. Now I will be doing the third question for you all again in this question. So third is y equals to 3x. So again, when x equals to 0, y will be equal to 0. You can take when x equals to minus 1, y equals to minus 3. You can take another one when x equals to suppose 2, then y equals to 6. How? Because I am putting the value of x. So 3 into 0 is 0, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 and 3 into 2 is 6. Now let us plot the graph. So we will start plotting the graph. So you can see I am drawing the two coordinate axes. I have drawn the vertical line. Now I am drawing the horizontal line, that is the x-axis. So the point of intersection is termed as O. Here it is y, x, y dash, and this is x dash. Now we will put the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Similarly here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then this side also it will be negative now. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So the first is 0, 0. If we know that the coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Then second is minus 1, 3. So we will take the x coordinate as minus 1 and minus 3. So we will go down minus 1 and here minus 3. Always write down the coordinates wherever you are plotting. Then 2, 6. So x coordinate 2 and y coordinate 6. So we will go here. So it is 2, 6. Now you join this. And always write down the name of the equation on the line. So it is y equals to 3x. Now what we are getting, that the graph of the equation of this form y equals to any number, suppose it is kx, any number, in place of 3 it can be 2, it can be 5, it can be 6, any number. So in the form of y equals to kx is a line which always passes through the origin. So students, remember this, that the equation of the form y equals to kx always passes through the origin. So this is the next two questions are your homework. So complete question number 1 as your homework, and students, use pencil for drawing the or plotting the graph. Don't use pen. Thank you.